Hey guys, it's Dale with the insurance. Today we're talking about an article that it's it, it's quite fun because I myself am are an avid watcher of sci-fi movies. So it often happens on TV because it's so rare to happen in real life, which isn't to say you don't need this insurance. You should definitely still take a look at it. But I see it most often kind of in a movie. And the title of this article is What is Sinkhole Insurance, right? So Sinkhole, kind of self-explanatory, but it's so far-fetched, and I think the article alludes to the probability of it happening in any given area is like 1%, right? 1 in 100. But if you watch the movies, you may see it on the news every once in a while where there's just a gaping hole that forms in the earth and just obviously swallows up whatever is above it, right? Whether it be a home, whether it be a garage, whether it be a car, uh, a business building, just cause intense and a ton of damage, right? Things to note are one, they're kind of two states that require it, and they require it because it happens more often than not in these states. One is Florida. Florida, it happens the most, and that's still, just for perspective, that's still, remember, 1 in 100 in terms of chances of this happening. And then Tennessee, and then there are a smattering of other states that this happens kind of more often than the rest, right? Like Texas, I think Pennsylvania is on there. Take a look at the list though. And then there's a website also included in the article to show you if you are in an area that's prone to sinkholes. The thing to take note, if you are in an area that is prone and it's something that you're considering, more often than not, I mean, it's going to be expensive. But as you're weighing kind of the benefit and the cost of having this insurance, just think about if this happens to you, kind of it happens that 1% of the time, and it happens to be in your area, it's almost complete loss, right? The amount of damage is not going to be not even near your deductible more times than not, right? If a hole is created within the earth, then it's going to completely ruin the foundation of a home, completely damage a car, whatever property that is sitting within a vicinity of this will be impacted, right? So when you think about that, the cost of the premium pales in comparison to the amount of damage you would be on the hook for, whether it be liability or just replacing or repairing said property that was damaged, is going to be pretty hefty, right? And another good nugget in this piece is that when you are reviewing the policies, make sure you look at the terms, right? I mean, it kind of goes without being said, but because this is a standalone policy and and it's something that you are kind of paying extra for, you want to make sure it lines up with what you are hoping you're receiving in terms of services, right? So find out if for you to be covered, it needs to be a total loss, right? Language in there may be to the extent that, hey, if it's a partial loss, it's not covered. Find out what are the appropriate inspections you may need, right? Because there may be hurdles that you need to get over or have done in the case of an inspection to have coverage triggered, right? Find out if man-made, if man-made and naturally made sinkholes are covered, right? Complete distinction, right? And some may only cover natural sinkholes, right? So, so those are a few things as you're getting deep into it. So you've passed the, hey, do I need it? You're at the point where, yes, I need it. And as you're looking at these different policies, make sure the coverage you are thinking that you're purchasing actually matches the coverage this carrier is offering. All right. Once again, not very often that you see this, but if you are in one of those states that this happens quite often, and once again, relatively quite often, right? It's not like a fire or theft or a trip and fall, 1 in 100 times. But once again, there are states out there that this seems to occur more often than other states. If you are in those states, once again, please go over this article and give it a good thought about buying this coverage. Okay? Hopefully this was helpful, guys. Thanks for stopping by. We'll chat next week.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And if you really liked it, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you. We love hearing from our viewers. So be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video, and we'll see you in the next one.